my channel. Today is Tuesday, and here in Philadelphia it is hot. Y'all, I mean, it is hot. It is supposed to be 95 degrees today, but with the heat index it's going to go up to it's going to feel like between 100 and 105. So yeah, I'm not having it. So I wasn't planning on doing anything big today. It's kind of like a chill day. So I thought what I would do is just attack these two cabinets at the bottom of my built-ins because they are a hot mess. Every time we open them, we gotta stand back a little bit and let things fall out. So I thought I would finally attack those, get those cleaned out, get them organized, and I thought I would bring you along with me. So if you would like to see how they turn out, stick around to the end, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. So without further ado, let's get to these cabinets. Okay, so this is the right side of the cabinet, and as you can see, there is just stuff thrown everywhere in here. Every inch of it is full. This is all stuff that we could not find a home for at the time that I was dealing with it, or just threw in there while we were trying to clean up at the last minute, but for whatever reason they ended up here, and I'm almost positive that 99% of this stuff does not belong in here. So let's just get to it and clean it out. So I started with just clearing everything out of the cabinet and putting it on the floor. I did try to put them into piles as I was taking them out, but then that just turned into a mess. So as you can see, there's just a ton of crap in here, like CDs. Who uses CDs anymore? So I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So yeah, everything is out, and now I'm just going to clean out the cabinet and try to put things back in an organized manner and see how it turns out. As you can see, I pretty much got rid of everything. I did find homes for the things that were stored in here. And these are just the few things that are left that I really don't have a home for. So I decided to just keep them in here. I sorted everything out. These are baskets that need to go up into my attic, into a storage bin. Hi, Bubba. These are things that have to go to Goodwill because we no longer need them anymore. And then over here, I have all of the pictures and frames that were stored in there. I decided they need to be put back downstairs in the basement with all of the other photo albums. I'll probably take them out of the frames and put them in photo albums, just so that they're there for safekeeping. So that's pretty much everything. Now I'm going to move over to this cabinet, which stores, let's open it up here. This cabinet stores all of the school supplies that I kept for my children when they were in school, but now I only have a sophomore in college and she doesn't need any of this stuff. She's picky about the supplies that she uses, so she goes and buys her own. So as you can see, I don't need 20 reams of lined paper. So what I'm going to do is just sort through everything and redistribute it out to my nieces and nephews who are still in grade school and can use these supplies. So let's get started on this cabinet. Okay, so here is the cabinet, the left side of the cabinet that was storing all of the office and school supplies. As you can see, there is nothing left for me to put back. Everything has found a new home, and all of the school supplies that were in there are now going to go to my nieces and nephews to give to their children who are in grade school. There were a few things left, so rather than keep 3 little things in there, I just combined them here. Those cans of condensed air, that black bin next to the condensed air is housing all of the calculators, and of course my husband's binoculars. So now everything will be housed in just this one shelf, which is working out perfectly because with the holidays coming up, I usually decorate the entire built-in, and all of the picture frames and things that are on the built-ins are going to be stored in these bottom shelves during the holidays while the decorations are up. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this gave you some motivation to clean out a cabinet or a closet in your home. And like I said, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family.